Hello, and welcome to the Jude ICAN Financial channel. If this is your first time on the channel, thank you very much. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video with everyone around you preparing for the November diet examination. If it's not your first time, thank you very much for always engaging with my videos. In this video, I would be showing you what to expect in your financial reporting November diet examination. I've done this using a trend analysis of what ICAN has examined over the years. So I would be showing you what to expect in your forthcoming financial reporting examination. Okay, I've done this by categorizing all the topics into three major categories. So category one are the topics highlighted in gold. These are the topics you should give premium priority to. The next category are the topics highlighted in yellow. You should give priority to these topics. The last category are the ones highlighted in blue. You should pay attention to those topics. So you want to follow this order, okay? So let me show you the topics. Let's go straight. So the first topic you should give premium priority to is your analysis and interpretation of financial statement. This is the most examined topic in ICAN, okay? It's been examined 16 times from November 2014 to May 2023, almost every diet, okay? So you do not want to joke with those topics. You want to pay premium attention to analysis and interpretation of financial statements, okay? So the next topic to that you should give premium attention to is your consolidated accounts, statements of financial position. As a matter of fact, so statement of financial position, your statement of profit or loss, and statement of equity. I hope you got that. So you want to pay attention to your consolidated account. So your SOFP, your statement of profit or loss, and statement of change in equity, your SOCIE, right? All right, so combined, it has been examined 27 times combined, okay? So you can see from May 2015 up to last year, it's May 2023, okay? So the breakdown, you can use this video as a guide for the breakdown, okay? All right, so pay attention to your consolidated account, all right? So next to that will be your cash flows, your IAS 7, all right? It's been examined 11 times from November 2014 up to November 2023. So it's highly probable, up to November 2022. It's highly probable in November 2023. All right. So let's go to the next category, and those are the topics highlighted in yellow. All right. So the first topic we will be examining under this category is presentation of financial statements. Presentation of financial statements. It's been examined 14 times from November 2014 up to last diet, okay? So you can give priority to this topic, okay? The next is your IAS 16, your PPE. You want to please give priority to PPE, okay? It's been examined 7 times from November 2014 to November 2021, okay? It's highly probable in your November 2023 examination. The next to that is your accounting and reporting concept, frameworks, and practices. Don't joke with this, please. Don't overlook this. It's been examined 10 times from November 2016 up to last diet. Yeah, I know, but pay attention. Still give priority to your accounting and reporting concepts and frameworks and practices. Is that okay? Now, let's go to the last category, and those are the topics highlighted in blue. So you want to pay attention to regulatory framework, okay? It's been examined 7 times from May 2020 up till last diet, okay? So that's why you should just pay attention to regulatory framework, okay? So once you're done with that, you want to move to financial instruments, okay? Financial instruments was last examined in November 2022, all right? And so it's also probable in your November 2023 examination, okay? So here's the thing, guys. Please don't stop there, right? Now you can see that there are some of those topics that were not highlighted at all. So what that means is once you're done with the three major categories, right, then you can move here. So as a matter of fact, once you're done with reading all the topics in gold, in yellow, in blue, I would advise that you come here, right? Come here and pick any two. Just follow your heart, right? Pick any two from the topics here, right? Pick um, pick one of the topics here and pick one of the topic here. With that, you are fully covered. I can tell you for a fact that you're fully covered for the November that examination. Okay, so I could advise now. Income tax was examined last night, so you're fine. You can do EPS. In fact, you should do EPS, right? Do EPS and choose any other one of these topics. Okay, please follow this guide and take these instructions carefully. All right, so do EPS and any other one, any of your IASs here. Okay, then you can pick anyone here. Just feel free to pick anyone here, and finally pick anyone here. Then you're good to go. Okay, so that's what you should do. All right, so let me quickly tell you what to do with the information I just shared with you. Now, I see a lot of students trying to read or solve their past questions, their pathfinder on a yearly basis. So, for example, you want to take May 2020, you want to take your financial reporting May 2020 past question, and you want to solve all the questions in May 2020, question 1, question 2, question 3, like that. Now, there is a disadvantage to using that approach, and here's the disadvantage. So, for instance, you solve question one looks good, you're happy, like, yeah, you're prepared for the examination. Oh, whatever I can comes, you are ready, you're prepared, and all, You solve question two looks a little more difficult, but you are able to find your way around it. Yeah, your joy gets fuller, like, yes, I'm on track. You do question three, it's a little a little the difficulty level increases. You still find your way around this, but you're wasting time. You waste time trying to do that, and you come out like, yes, as in you're ready for the topic, right? You're ready for ICAN for your exam. Then you go to question four, and question four, the difficulty increases, and you do not even you're staring at the question somewhere inside. That this question, you're trying to pull out the answer, and you keep wasting time. This approach is the time waster, right? Okay, so you waste all the time on question four, you get to question five. Question five seems very difficult, right? And you're discouraged. You're outrightly discouraged. You begin to question your ability. You're asking yourself if you're truly prepared for the examination, and anxiety sets in, fear sets in, and you just do not want to find yourself in that spot. It's not a good spot to find yourself, and you don't have that time to entertain fear, to entertain discouragement, to entertain anxiety. You do not have that time. You don't have the time for that. Okay, so instead of using that approach, here is the approach I would recommend. Solve your past questions, your pathfinders, based on a topic by topic basis. Okay, and I'm going to expatiate on that. Okay, now if you are like some students that have reached out to me, you just started studying, maybe because you're writing all the papers or something. You just started studying, or you've not gone far in your study. I would tell you exactly what to do. All right, and also what I'm about to share would also help you if you're about to revise. So it's going to help you for your revision. Okay, so for those just studying and for those revising, I would advise you also study on your topic by topic. Use the information I shared in this video. Okay, so take analysis and interpretation of financial statements. Study this topic, right? So once you start studying this topic, solve all the questions in this topic. All right, go to consolidated account. Once you're done studying, right, solve all the questions. Okay, so that is how to study going forward. That is how to revise going forward. Okay, so as a rule, let me give you a rule. If you can solve all the questions in each of the topics, right, solve a minimum of 40 to 50% of the number of times that those questions were examined, right? So for example, analysis and interpretation of financial statements has been examined 16 times. So a minimum of 6 to 8 questions under this topic. Is that clear? So you want to do that down, right? You want to do that down for all of the topics. Okay, so please don't forget the information I shared. about what to do with the topics that were not highlighted. Okay, so you can always refer to this video. You can come back to watch this video to understand, grasp the information I shared, and also to write out the questions, the past questions for each of the topics. Okay. Now, there's an exclusive. I will be sharing the PDF file of this podcast to an exclusive set of people. Okay. So I'm going to be telling you how to get into this exclusive list very quickly. Now, imagine having this forecast. You already know what to expect in your examination. What if I show you how to answer? What if I show you, pardon me please. What if I show you how to answer your examination, your questions, okay? So you do not have to worry, you don't have to bother about how to answer questions no matter the level of difficulty. All right, please pardon me please. No matter the level of difficulty, you do not have to worry about that. I will be helping you answer any question at all. So you will be understanding the requirements of your examiners. You will understand what they want you to write, and you'll be writing exactly what they want you to write. It's as simple as that, guys. So I will be showing you how to get all the marks allocated to each of the questions. So it's no more a game of passing. It's not more a game of getting 50%. It's a game of excellence. I will be putting you into the excellence league, right? I will be welcoming you into the excellence league so that you can score a minimum of 70 for each of your papers. Okay, so I've compiled a video. I've created a video. It's the how to answer ICAN examination questions excellently. After watching this video, you would fully comprehend how the ICAN marking guide works and its requirements. You would master how to approach each question based on the marks allocated. You would be able to decode the minds of your examiners and possess a powerful strategy for answering your examination questions excellently. You would feel empowered to mark your examination script while in the examination hall and even increase your mark on the spot. You'll be able to stretch your minimum mark to an impressive 70%. Okay, so I've done this. Either you're writing calculation-based paper or theory-based paper, you would be able to answer any question at all, even if it's a question that you're just seeing in your life for the first time. Okay, so I also paid attention to questions that you do not know anything about. So you meet a question that you don't have an idea about, you do not know what to write. I tell you exactly what to write in the video. So exactly what to write in your answer booklet, so that you're scoring a minimum of 5 marks. Minimum, guys. So imagine seeing 3 questions. You do not have an idea on what to write. I tell you exactly what to write in the examination booklet. Okay, so I shared various examples using the Pathfinder. So I shared past questions, and I shared the question. I shared how to answer questions, and I also shared the marking guide. So you see the different marks allocated. You know how to answer questions based on those marks allocated. You understand what you're required to write, and also I show silent requirements that they do not share in this. You know that it's part of the requirement. Take for instance, for students, take for instance, topic goodwill, right? They might ask you to calculate retained earnings. That's just the question. They never told you to draw the group structure, but drawing the group structure is a requirement in the marking guide, right? So students will just calculate retained earnings without drawing group structure, right? And they would not get the maximum mark. And that is why students, after putting in their best efforts, they score 49%, right? Instead of 70%. So this video will show you exactly how to score 70% instead of 49% or 50% or 30% or 20% or 90% or even lower than that. Okay, so you want to do what you can to lay your hands on this video, right? The video is just 5,000 naira one-time payment, and you can get yours using the link below, the link on your screen at selara.co/mark. You can also click the link in the description to get yours now. Now, for the next 24 hours, those that would be getting this video would get, so this is the exclusive list, would get the PDF file of the forecast I shared in this video. Okay, so once again, for the next 24 hours when this video is published, you would be getting the PDF file of the podcast I shared in the video. All right. So you want to do all you can. You need this video. You need this video. Once you get layout on this video and you combine it to the podcast, your success is undeniable. Your success is guaranteed. Okay. So once again, the link is seller.co/mark, or just click the link in the description of this video. Once again, if this is your first time on my channel, thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share with those preparing for the November JET examination. If it's not your first time, thank you very much for always engaging with my content. Do recommend this video. Do not be selfish with this content. This could save a life, help those around you, and also do all you can to lay your hands on this video. All right, thank you all so much. I will see you in the next